family, it's the Mobile Home Diva, and in today's video I am going to be DIYing or starting the DIY process for my dresser drawer. Before we get into the video, I just want to thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. Now, if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for joining once again. I know you guys have been hearing me talk about redoing my dresser, the whole story. Well, today is the day that we get started. So, short disclaimer, I've never done this before. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna try to make it look nice. So I've viewed a lot of YouTube videos. I believe I have what I need. We're just gonna make it do what it do. So let's get into the video. All right, let me show you what we're working with today. I have my tool bag here. This Work Zone tool bag I got from Aldi. It has a level, hammer, all kind of screwdrivers and pliers and all kind of things. It's really handy, and I've used it on a lot of different things. The next thing I have is I have my paint. I have chalk paint. It's charcoal gray. I also have a glaze, and then the last thing I have, both of them are by Rust-Oleum. And then I also have this polyacrylic finish that I'm going to put on the top of the dresser. Next item is a sander. I ordered this sander from Amazon. My husband has used it already and he liked it. It comes with different sanding pads that you put on it and use to sand. I'll be using that to sand the dresser drawers as well as the dresser. Then I have, and let me come over here so you can get a good look. I'll go around and let you see. So I have this rolling paint kit that I got from Walmart. It has two different size rollers, a really tiny one and a regular size, and it comes with one roller for the small one and two rollers for the bigger one. I also got extra rollers. I have painter's tape. Now I got the one that also works for brick, stucco, cement, and wood, because I know that my husband will shortly be working on the house, so I thought whatever extra, I won't use much of this. I have paint brushes, 3 different sizes, 2 1.5 brushes, 2 2-inch brushes, and 2 3-inch brushes. I think the roller would do just fine, but I got that just in case. Okay, and I wanted to show you the handles that I got for the dresser. I'm going to show you the ones that are on there now, and then I'll show you the ones that I'm using. So this is one of the dresser drawers. These are the old knobs. I'll have to open it because you probably won't be able to see it in the plastic. I haven't even opened them yet, so sorry I wasn't prepared. these are the knobs that are going on there. So that's what we'll be using. All right, let's get this party started. So the first part of the process is to use the sander to sand down each dresser drawer, and that's what I'm doing here. It didn't take a whole lot of effort. It went pretty smooth. I'm happy with the way it turned out. That sander is absolutely amazing, and I couldn't be pleased. So when I was finished sanding, I took some Goo Gone and wiped down each dresser drawer. And it took a couple of times for each one, but that wasn't a problem. I got all of the sticky stuff that was on the front. After I sanded, I could really see where tape had been. We had the dresser drawers taped closed during our move, and taking the tape off, you couldn't see the adhesive that was left, but it really came through in the sanding. So I used Goo Gone to wipe it down, and then I used a degreaser after that to get the Goo Gone off and get it nice and dry. That Goo Gone is kind of oily, so the degreaser helped to get that oil off. Now it's time to mix the paint and get started with painting. Once I mixing everything from the bottom up to the top, making sure that it was mixed really good. I poured it into the paint pan. There's a liner in that pan, which is awesome. I bought another 2-pack to use, and I'm going to actually need one for more paint, and then probably won't need one for glaze. I could just stick the brush in the thing for the glaze, but I'm glad I bought extra liners. So I'm going to use a paint roller. The whole process went really smooth. I'm so happy that I did it the way I did it. So let's watch and see my progress. extremely hot outside today. And when I got through, the sun was shining directly on me. So I let them completely dry. And eventually, I went and did some grocery shopping and stuff at Sam's. So by the time I came home, I was just tired and I'm getting ready to cook Sunday dinner. So I brought them in, that way they wouldn't be outside in the elements. And they're completely dry. I think they look great. I'm super excited to see what they look like with the glaze. And I'm going to do that in the morning before the sun comes up. So that's it, you guys. That's what they look like right now. Let me show you the dresser. I know that the dresser won't completely look like it, but at least it's in the gray family. Honestly, I've never done this before, so I have no idea how to make it look like that. But with the glaze on it and being in the room with the charcoal gray that complements the headboard, I am super excited. At least it's not the pine color that I am DIYing. It has a mirror. Excuse my bicycle. Our tool shed's not ready, so I don't like to keep it outside. This is the mirror. I'm gonna paint that in the morning when I finish the stain, and then that is the dresser. I'm gonna have to wait till my husband can help me get it outside so I can work on it. But at least I've got the process started and I'm super excited. So that's it, you guys. It's been a long day. I got a lot accomplished. I'm super excited to see the end result and I can't wait to take you with me. So I know it looks crazy, but I do have on clothes. I'm wearing a jumpsuit. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.